Okay guys, we got Thermador, regular one, stove. It's a gas one, it's not electrical. Customer been complaining about the bake option, it's not working. So I just check a broil. I turn on this switch and this one. Got the lights on. Igniter coming. It's turning on the unit. It's no problem. With broil option. But bake, we got a different type of igniter here. It's double one. It looks like it's not turning on for any reason. So this type of igniter, it looks like I gotta clean up just, and we should be good to go. Here it's working, just gotta turn on.